how to enable dependencies in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up your sheet. Next is, for example, this is mine and in table view. Next is you can just click on the gear icon here at the top right and then click on look for dependencies and then enable it. Okay, and then click on apply and then let's just wait for it to apply. Okay, it says here they couldn't save. Please refresh. So let's just refresh our page. Okay, again, we'll do that. Click on the gear icon. Click enable dependencies and then click on apply again. Okay, again, let's refresh. Okay, gear icon again, and then as you can see, now there are problems sometimes that you need to refresh it multiple times, but as you can see now it's been enabled. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.